Working with Word 2016. In Word, we create documents by typing text. When the text reaches the end of a line, the cursor automatically moves to the next line. While typing text, we use the space bar, enter, delete, and backspace keys frequently. Let us first learn how to create a new document in Word 2016. Creating a new document. To create a new document, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on New option. 3. Click on the Blank Document option. A blank document will appear on the screen. Now you can type, select, delete, and insert the text in it. Typing text. You can type the text into the document. To type text, start typing on keyboard. You will find that the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. Press the Enter key to start a new line. Selecting text. To make changes to the existing text, you need to select it. To select the text, place the pointer at the required position and hold down the left button of the mouse while dragging the mouse over the text to be selected. Release the mouse button. The selected text gets highlighted. Deleting text. If you have made a mistake while typing the text, you can easily remove the text by using either the backspace or delete key. Press the backspace key to remove the text from the left of the cursor. Press the delete key to remove the text from the right of the cursor. Inserting text. While typing, you may find it necessary to add some more text to an already written document. You can easily insert new text into your document. To insert the text, place the pointer at the required position where you want to insert the text and click. An insertion point, cursor, appears on the screen to indicate the position where the inserted text will appear. You can now type the new text. Saving a document. When you have finished typing in your document, you need to save it for future use. To save your document in Word, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Save or Save As option. 3. Double-click on this PC option and select the location. 4. Type a name for the document in the file name box. 5. Click on the Save button. The document will be saved. Opening a saved document. To open a saved document, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Open option. 3. Double-click on this PC option and select the location. 4. Select the file. 5. Click on the Open button. The saved document will be opened. Printing a document. To print a document, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on the Print option. 3. Click on the Print button. The document will be printed. Exiting Word. To close a document or to exit from Word, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on the Close option. If you have not saved the document, Word displays a message box asking if you want to save the document. 3. Click on the Save button if you want to save the document. If you do not want to save the document, click on the Don't Save button.